What's up, y'all? I enjoyed that live feed we had earlier, but this is 81 South. So anybody that's on 81 South, this is what you got to look forward to. And they got, man, like where I came from was West Virginia, so you had to hit 81 to get, you know, to West Virginia. So obviously going back south, man, be careful. These winds are high and it's definitely raining. It's been raining all freaking week long, guys. All week. I mean pouring. God dang, pouring down. But like today, not only is it just the rain, the winds are high. So I learned my lesson. I learned my lesson from my last jackknife, and I would hate to ever jackknife and with some damn doubles on my back. So I don't care if I gotta do 25 miles an hour or even do dang 20 miles an hour if it's really windy, or just fucking pull over. So yes, guys, this is I81 South, and obviously it goes to I77. And like I said, for the last week, all these been pretty much messed up with just fog, rain, and everything else under the weather. Literally under the weather. So yeah, if you on I81 South, shit, or even I81 North, you gonna run into some of this. So y'all be careful out here on the roads. Keep them wheels, you know, inside the white lines. Be safe, get your rest. Please don't flip your truck over, hit nobody, kill nobody, or kill yourself. So everybody out here on the road, y'all please be safe. I just thought that, you know, I share that with you guys, because this is like bumper to bumper traffic, and I can guarantee you that somebody up there probably done flipped over. I can pretty much guarantee that somebody probably done ran into somebody, or they flipped over, or it's something of a catastrophe up there. And I pretty much hate bumping to bumper traffic, especially when you got a stick shift. Because I'm sitting here having to, you know, coast with the third gear. If it allowed me, coast with the fourth gear. If it allowed me, coast with the fifth gear. But either way, it's just a damn headache. So in a situation like this, I'll be happy when I have an automatic. But as I always say, it is what it is. You make it do what it do. So y'all drive safe out there.